You map me in right angles, in lines that never bend. Assign me to the silence, where all my edges end. But something hums beneath the frame. Tightly around what I should be, but static blooms where stillness dies and fractures set me free. This pulse rewrites the grid I knew in fractured shades of blue. Glitching light, my corner